Most people decorate the porch, living room, and yard for Halloween. In 2026, creative decorators are transforming bathrooms into spooky surprises that guests never expect.
Before we dive into today's video, I'd like to welcome you to Decorpediya, your go-to source for home decor inspiration. We bring you creative ideas to transform your space with style and ease, helping you elevate every corner of your home effortlessly. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest decor inspirations. Now, let's get started.
Why is lighting so important in a Halloween bathroom? Lighting completely changes how a room feels. A bathroom that appears ordinary during the day can become dramatic and mysterious with the right lighting choices. Many decorators view lighting as the most powerful tool for creating Halloween atmosphere. Love spooky lighting effects? Like this if Ambiance changes everything. Why is Halloween bathroom decor so popular on social media? People love seeing creative ideas they haven't encountered before. Since bathrooms are often overlooked during holiday decorating, themed makeovers stand out online and inspire others to think beyond traditional decorating spaces. Love social-worthy decor like this if unique ideas inspire you. Why are themed bathrooms popular for Halloween parties? Party hosts are focusing more on complete experiences rather than individual decorations. When every room contributes to the overall atmosphere, guests feel immersed in the theme from beginning to end. Bathrooms have become part of that storytelling process. Love themed Halloween parties? Like this if every room should join the fun. Why are unexpected Halloween spaces becoming so popular? People enjoy surprising guests. Decorating an unexpected room adds an element of discovery that makes the entire Halloween experience more memorable. In 2026, homeowners are increasingly looking beyond traditional decorating locations. Love surprising your guests? Like this, if unexpected decor wins. Why are small spaces perfect for Halloween? Decorating? Smaller rooms naturally create a stronger visual impact because decorative details are noticed immediately. In a bathroom, even subtle changes can dramatically transform the mood of the space. This makes it one of the easiest rooms in the home to decorate effectively. Love decorating small spaces? Like this, if little details make a big difference. Why are small spaces perfect for Halloween? Decorating? Smaller rooms naturally create a stronger visual impact because decorative details are noticed immediately. In a bathroom, even subtle changes can dramatically transform the mood of the space. This makes it one of the easiest rooms in the home to decorate effectively. Love decorating small spaces? Like this, if little details make a big difference. Why are Halloween bathroom decorations trending in 2026? Halloween decorating has expanded far beyond traditional spaces. Homeowners are now creating themed experiences throughout the entire house, and bathrooms have become one of the most unexpected places to showcase creativity. Guests love discovering Halloween details in rooms they never expected to be decorated. Love decorating every corner of your home. Like this, if Halloween surprises make decorating more fun. Why are dark and moody styles trending? Many homeowners are embracing more dramatic aesthetics because they create stronger atmosphere. Darker styles feel mysterious and cinematic, while helping Halloween decorations appear more sophisticated and visually impactful. Love dark Halloween aesthetics? Like this, if moody decor wins. What makes a Halloween bathroom truly unforgettable? An unforgettable Halloween bathroom surprises people. It creates atmosphere, sparks conversations, and contributes to the overall experience in a way guests don't expect. When visitors leave talking about the decor, you know you've succeeded. Ready to surprise your guests? Like this, if spooky bathroom decor feels unforgettable. What makes a Halloween bathroom feel immersive? A successful Halloween bathroom feels like an extension of the overall theme rather than an afterthought. When guests step inside, they should immediately notice a shift in atmosphere that makes the space feel playful, spooky, or mysterious while still remaining functional and comfortable. Love immersive Halloween decor? Like this if atmosphere matters. What defines modern Halloween bathroom decor in 2026? Modern decorators are focusing on mood and atmosphere rather than filling the room with decorations. The goal is creating a space that feels intentional, stylish, and seasonal. This approach helps bathrooms feel sophisticated while still embracing Halloween fun. Love modern Halloween style? Like this, if elevated decor wins. What decorating mistakes should be avoided? One common mistake is sacrificing practicality for decoration. A bathroom should still function comfortably. For guests, the best Halloween designs enhance the space without making it inconvenient or overwhelming. Love practical decorating? Like this, if style and function should work together. How can Halloween decor make a bathroom feel more creative? Creative decorating transforms ordinary spaces into conversation starters. Guests often remember unique details that catch them off guard, and a themed bathroom can become one of the most talked about parts of a Halloween gathering. Love creative decorating ideas? Like this if originality matters. How can seasonal decor change the mood of a bathroom? Decor influences perception. Seasonal touches help transform a routine space into part of a larger celebration. This creates excitement and encourages guests to appreciate details they might otherwise overlook. Love seasonal transformations? Like this, if decor changes the mood. How can DIY projects improve a Halloween bathroom? DIY decorations help create unique details that reflect personal style. Handmade projects often feel more creative and memorable because they add character and originality to the space. They also allow homeowners to customize the atmosphere exactly as they envision it. Love DIY Halloween projects? Like this, if creativity wins every time. How can decor help create a memorable guest experience? Guests remember how a space makes them feel. A thoughtfully decorated bathroom adds another layer of surprise and enjoyment to the overall event. These unexpected moments often become some of the most memorable parts of the celebration. Love creating memorable experiences like this if details matter. How can a bathroom feel spooky without looking overcrowded? The strongest designs focus on creating a mood rather than overwhelming the room with decorations. Few carefully chosen details often create a stronger effect than filling every available surface. Balance helps maintain the room's functionality while still delivering Halloween impact. Love balanced decorating? Like this, if less can be more. Halloween bathroom decoration ideas in 2026 are all about creativity, atmosphere, and unexpected surprises. By extending your Halloween theme into every corner of the home, you can create a more immersive experience that guests will remember long after the season ends. If you're decorating for Halloween this year, don't overlook the bathroom and come back for more 2026 Halloween inspiration.